Okay, today we're going to look at geometric sequences, and we're going to determine if the sequence is geometric or not. We're going to figure out what its common ratio is, and then we're going to find a term is negative 1. Today we're going to look at sequences, and we're going to determine if they are a geometric sequence or not. So to determine if it's geometric or not, we're going to find that means we can see if there's a common ratio. And a common ratio means that you are multiplying the previous term by a number to get the next term. So for instance, if I look at negative 1 to 6, we're going to look at the first term, negative 1 times negative 6. We're going to see if I can multiply the first term by a number to get to the second term. That's going to work so negative 1 to 6. Okay? I have to multiply negative 1 times negative 6, negative 36. Yes, it is. If this is geometric, that's going to be true for times negative 6 term. 216. So 6 to negative 36. Yes, it is. 6 times negative 6 is negative 36. Okay, so that works. So each time we are multiplying by negative 36 times negative 6, 216. Yes, it is. So that means this is a geometric sequence. Now, since it is, that means it has a common ratio. The common ratio is what you are multiplying by each time to get to the next term. So that would be negative 6. Now, it says to find the 10th term. I can do that without multiplying every single term by negative 6 until I get to the 10th term. And we're going to use this formula over here. So the formula says a to the n is equal to a1 times r to the n minus 1 power. So an represents the nth term, so that's whatever term you're looking for. A1 is your first term in the sequence. The common ratio is whatever you're multiplying by to get to the next term, and then n minus 1 means 1 less than the number of terms power. So if I'm finding the 10th term, I'm going to write an equals, the first term in this sequence is negative 1 times, r stands for common ratio, that was negative 6, and then I'm going to put that to n minus 1. So I'm looking for the 10th term, so I put 10 minus 1. Okay, so now I have to do negative 6 times 10 minus negative 6 to the power of 10 minus 1, and then multiply that by negative 1. Okay, order of operations says I have to do this first. So that's basically 10 minus 1 is 9. So that basically means to the 9th power. So I'm going to do negative 6 to the 9th power. I'm going to use my calculator for that. And then I'm going to multiply by negative 1. I get a really big number. I get 10,077,696. So you are going to be completing the worksheet posted on It's Learning, and you're going to be using this formula in order to figure out specific terms in a sequence and identifying if they are geometric or not.